Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for watching and thank you for also subscribing down below. I love you guys so much. So today I'm doing a highly requested video to do a updated puff tutorial. I don't even know the last time I wore my hair in the puff, but I've had so many people ask me, bring the puff back, where's the puff, like come on. So I'm giving you guys what you asked for and I'm showing you how I got this puff, and it is popping if I do say so myself. So if you would like to see how I achieved this puff, just keep watching. Ooh. So I am starting with a old and kind of crusty, to be honest, wash and go. I'm just gonna spray my hair with some water. I don't want it too wet, just a little damp. Make sure my sides are all good. Back, okay. Now I'm gonna be adding just a little bit of curling cream, just to add some moisture to my hair. Kind of spread that out all over. Okay, next I'll be taking my wide comb and just kind of combing through my roots just so they'll be able to slick back. And then I'm also going to kind of pick out the top of my hair just so my puff can be a little fuller and kind of stretch my roots out a bit. Ooh. Okay. Now I'm just going to be adding some oil. This is my, well actually I did a new oil blend. I have argan oil, macadamia nut oil, flaxseed oil, black castor oil, African herbal oil, some tea tree oil, vitamin E, and I think that's it. I know it's a lot. But yeah, okay. So now my hair is oiled. Next, I'm going to, I had this duct tape because I broke it, but this is just the Eco Styler flaxseed gel. It's my favorite one. So I'm going to take about this much of that and rub it in the front and the back of my hair. So I'm going to be taking a hard bristle brush and just brushing that up. I haven't done a puff in like a really long time, okay. Okay, so that's brushed up. I'm going to take a little bit of my edge control. This is Jerikai styling gel. I got this from a company that I found on Instagram. I can put the link below so you guys can see. I really like the gel. It smells really good. It lasts really long and it works really well. Put that on. Then I'm going to take a soft brush and just make sure that's all in. All right, now for the fun part. I'm going to be taking a, this is just a long headband that I cut in half so I could use it, and I stretch it out. And I'm going to tie it in the front. So I tie a knot in the front, hold my ends tight, and start pulling. Ooh. All right, and start pulling. Pull it up and tighten, and you just kind of do that until you get your puff to your desired height. And I think I'm gonna leave it right here. And then I'm just gonna tie it off in the back, make sure everything is secure, like so. And then I just start kind of lifting, and I'm gonna go back in my comb, with my comb in my roots, just to kind of get it how I like it. I think this is good. I'm gonna show you guys. Like so. Now for my edges. Now for edges, I'm going back in with my same edge control. I'm just gonna kind of spread it on you. I'm going to take the comb side and comb, okay, comb down what I want and brush it back. I know everybody kind of does their edges their own way, so this is not me showing you guys how you should do your edges. This is just how I do mine. I like to make sure these side pieces are brushed up really nicely, even though I'm gonna end up taking them down. Okay, next I'm gonna take my scarf. It's a really big one. I just fold it, and I'm going to lay it down and tie it. All right, I like to let my edges sit for like 5 to 10 minutes while I finish getting ready and stuff, just to make sure, you know, they're really laid and really getting set. I like to just make sure my puff is how I want it, and I'll be back. Okay, so I changed my hoodie, but that's not important. All right. So this is my finished look, finished puff, super quick, really easy, edges are popping. So yeah, this is it. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.